This is live in ZEERUST, South Africa. Sight and sounds over South Africa. I can tell you, their fish is good, their chips is really good. So, when next you're in South Africa, treat yourself with some what? Smoked or fried fish with some chips. It's really nice. And it's tasty and quite, you know, soft and fluffy. So I just came to South Africa from Botswana. I came to South Africa from Botswana this morning. And I said, let me do some little tour. And here I am, taking some fish and chips. South Africa is a lovely, lovely country. South Africa, it's a very lovely country. You can see businesses is going on. And everywhere is just busy. But it's lunch time here. So you see a lot of people sitting down and taking some lunch. So you need to refill your tank. Thank you to all my subscribers. We're 110. I thank you so much.